Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes, where we explore the many paths to inner peace and well-being. Today, we'll be diving into the world of Sivananda Yoga, a holistic approach to living that goes beyond just physical postures. So, grab your mat, find a comfortable seat, and let's get started. Sivananda Yoga is more than just a style of yoga, it's a way of life. Founded by Swami Vishnudevananda and inspired by his guru, Swami Sivananda, this practice combines traditional Hatha Yoga with the core principles of yoga philosophy. It emphasizes 5 main points: proper exercise, proper breathing, proper relaxation, proper diet, and positive thinking and meditation. Let's start with proper exercise. In Sivananda Yoga, this is achieved through a series of 12 basic postures or asana. These asanas work on every part of your body, stretching and toning the muscles and joints, keeping the spine and skeletal system flexible and improving circulation. The most well-known sequence is the Surya Namaskar or sun salutation, which is often used to warm up the body and mind. The second point is proper breathing or Pranayama. This practice involves deep, conscious breathing, which helps increase oxygen intake and reduce stress. One of the most common techniques is Kapalabhati or skull shining breath, which energizes the mind and cleanses the respiratory system. Next, we have proper relaxation. Sivananda Yoga emphasizes the importance of rest through the practice of Savasana or corpse pose. This helps relax the body, calm the mind, and allow your energy to flow freely. It's a reminder that rest is just as important as activity. Proper diet is the fourth point. A Sivananda diet consists of vegetarian food that is fresh, natural, and easy to digest. It promotes a sattvic or pure lifestyle, which is believed to nourish both the body and mind. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and minimal use of spices. And finally, we have positive thinking and meditation. Sivananda Yoga encourages the cultivation of a positive attitude through the practice of mindfulness and meditation. This helps reduce negative thoughts and emotions, leading to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. So, there you have it, the 5 principles of Sivananda Yoga. It's a beautiful practice that not only keeps your body healthy but also nourishes your soul. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, incorporating these principles into your daily routine can bring profound benefits to your life. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Unwind Vibes, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how Sivananda Yoga has impacted your life. Until next time, take care, stay mindful, and keep practicing. Namaste.